What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining. I hope you guys checked out the video that I released about the project car for the channel. I'm really excited to get to work on that car and fix it up a bit and see what I can flip it for. But yeah guys, thank you for joining another video. I really appreciate it, and thank you to the people that have actually been loyal and been viewing all the videos that I've been releasing. Really means a lot to me, and I appreciate it a lot. So thank you for everyone that's been contributing to the views. As everyone knows, I have FK Coilovers installed, so yeah, I'll link that video to the installation and to the review on top. But yeah, what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just gonna see how low I can make my car. Since I'm in quarantine, I don't have anything else to do. Just to create some content for you guys to keep yourself busy with. I'm gonna see how slammed I can make my car today. How low these coilovers can actually go, because the ride height I'm at is obviously set there so I can get out of driveways and get into garages, etc. So today I'm gonna see how low I can make the car and just experiment a bit to see how the car will look if it's completely slammed. If I ever go to a stance festival or a show, I'll be seeing if I'll be able to compete with the guys. Not that I think that I will, because people go to extreme measures to slam their cars. So yeah guys, join me today and see how low I can make this car go. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the new project car. If you guys are interested in seeing what I'm going to be doing to it, if anyone is interested in maybe buying it already, as I'm saying, open to offers. It's just a little project car for the channel. So yeah guys, I'm just at the shops quickly. Actually a legit reason to come to the shops quickly today. Just need to get a few supplies food wise for the rest of the week, and obviously charge my car's battery, because this thing's battery is dead. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into the shops quick, and then I will come back to the part where I attempt to slam this car to the ground. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, just to show you current ride height, you can see over there, that's my ride height. Very loose, too loose for my liking. Hello. Okay, thank you. Just check this out. Oh, these tires are so bad. Okay guys, so got the first wheel off. Just a couple of things when you are changing the height of your coilovers. One, measuring tape, and secondly, just have a book or whatever just to write down the heights that you were at, especially if you want to go back to the same height like I do. So running my book, I got my measuring tape. So yeah, I'm just going to slide this wheel underneath the car, since I don't have jack stands, so for some safety. Okay, so let's see what height I was driving at. Don't even know. Jeez. Looks like I was at 32 mils, so I still have 3.2 to to drop. So if I'm correct with the picture I just showed you guys, that tire should be underneath this fender. So let's get to lowering. So you're going to need these coilover tools of yours. Guys, so as you can see, sway bar is still connected on this side, but not so much on the other side, so definitely gonna have to fix that ASAP Rocky as soon as lockdown is over. But yeah, let's get to measuring this coilover quick. Looks about the same height. 32, exactly the same height. Well done, well done me. Okay guys, so the rears are not going to work. Kind of just fucked up my car again. So it's not the first time this happened, but yeah, lovely. My jack definitely isn't suitable for the rears to hold the weight, and I think this ground is a bit sloped. So yeah, I'm just going to give the car a quick wash, and then I will do a little reveal video of how low the car is. Guys, I don't know about you, but I really think the car looks super sick. Slam this low. If you agree with me, hit the like button. But yeah, I had lots of fun even though I made a small mistake and I screwed up next to the side, which is in the clips, which you guys saw. I had loads of fun lowering the car and actually just taking a few pictures and videos while it is this low. I got some pretty nice sunlight. Hopefully it comes out okay. But yeah guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think of how low the car is. Do you think I can go lower? I'll try. If there was a way, I would try go lower, but yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Yeah guys, as I was saying, FK Coilovers, the review is there. I'll link it up top. Really insane coilovers for the amount of money you pay. So if you're really getting into the stance scene and static scene, FK Coilovers is the thing for you. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me, and I can't wait to show you guys more content and what is actually going to happen on the channel once lockdown is finished. Super cool review coming, or reviews coming, so yeah, can't wait to share that with you guys. But I hope you guys stay safe during lockdown and endure the last 8 days, guys. Cheers, stay safe.